Well, hello, you trader nerds. How are y'all? Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. Hello, 12547, Babe Ruthless, Bruce. We got DB. We got Dwayne. We got Eli. We got Gary. We got Hal. We got John D. We got Mo, Steve, Vicky, and Victor. All here. Kenny, Blue Phone. Everybody's here today. This is awesome. So good to have you here. I'm a little busy now. I got to tell you this. I opened up the mentorship, the 7-week mentorship, and 11 of you signed up for it. Wow, waka waka. So we've got a lot of mentorships going on right now and trading one-on-one with me, and I appreciate you doing that. If you'd be interested in that, look in the link below the description of the video, and you will see how you can do that. And if you do the mentorship, you get the free spreadsheet and you get the free trading plan, which is kind of cool. So it's like setting yourself up. So if you got a little time, I can meet sometimes in the evenings if you need to or during the day, but somehow we work it out. And I've got 11 people scheduled for this week. It's amazing. Just amazing. So we got Nay and Mark and Arvin and Jordy and Brad and Robert and Paint Jab and Jason and Meyer and Matthew and Jim all going through the mentorship. So glad to have you there for sure. All right. So let's see. The market is up 15.25 per 15.25 points, 0.27%. We've got volume of about 2,000 or so every 2 minutes. So that's kind of, it's not a lot. People are on vacation and doing things, and we're just kind of lining up. Nothing to see here. Let's look at the big green monster, see if there's something to gain from here. Well, we saw that we have support right here at our 20% line, but we are still overbought for the fair value zone below. We would anticipate in the next 10 days that these areas here will have a pretty good sized down day coming. It should feel that within the coming days. We'll see if we're right on that. Let's look at linear regression. Linear regression looks like we have gone up, hyperbolically, whatever you say, I can't remember the word. And now it looks like we've got a little period of consolidation. So we'll see how much consolidation this is before we probably head to the downside. So that's what we're looking at there. So let's see how our little account is doing today. Hope everybody's doing good and had a great weekend. I cooked on my Blackstone grill, made some smash burgers. They were delicious. And the Blackstone grill, it was like, you got to have a Blackstone grill, Bobby. And I'm like, okay, I got me one. And it was easy to clean up too. You don't have any pans or anything to mess with. So made my smash burgers on there and they were really, really good. So that's good. So let's see how our little account's doing today. So here we are. And today is we've not traded this in a whole week, y'all. 6/24/24. Let's see if theta worked in our favor. So we'll look here and see. If I can find my platform. It's weird I'm having to, here we go. Let's see, there we are. So it says we're up, but let's see if the account, let me turn the privacy setting off. And we are at 127,419.53. 127,419.53. Hey, Rico, fire up the band.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Yes, hallelujah. We are doing great. So up $229. Now, remember, we started out low with this account. We got all the way down to $7,000 or so. And then we made a couple of, this is the one where I've got my IRAs in, right? And it's in a margin account, which is kind of cool. So, I thought that's kind of cool. So we're doing really, really good. So let's see how our Greeks and ratios are doing. Let's go find them over here and find the account that we're trading is this one. Here we go. And let's see what the thing looks like so far. Let's see what this P&L thing looks like. Let's go to positions. P&L. Still don't understand why that's there. Let's see. Bill. Take bill off. Take that off. Take that off. Take that off. Well, that's everything I got, isn't it? Let's see. Stocks, options. I don't have any futures. I got stocks of bill. All right. Options. Let's take a bill off and let's see. There we go. That looks good. I guess it's build that's making it look weird, isn't it? Okay, well, let's see. So there we go. There's our little thing, our little whale that we've got going on there. Look at there, $11,000 if we'll just go down a little bit. All right, so we are at 95.64. 95.64. Let's get over here. 95.64. And Dix is at 13, I think. And our buying power, we don't want to count Bill. Our buying power is 13.9, we'll say 13.9. And I think our position sizing calculator says that we should be doing one ES per week, one ES per week. So let's do that. Let's do that. And first of all, let's see if we've got any GTC orders that have filled in this little account. So let's go to activity and we'll go field orders in the last 14 days. Day. We don't have any GTC orders. And I think the reason is because I don't think I put any hedges in this account yet. I think we're just hedge free right now, which is kind of cool. All right, so let's put a trade on. Let's go to ES. Don't you just love this strategy? I mean, it's slow. And for those of you that are watching, I mean, you've got to just feel good about yourselves going, wait a minute, we're on track to do 40% a year. I mean, this is just, I mean, how else can you, I mean, I don't know. It may not be every year, but it is this year. 116. So we're going to go down to a 10 delta. So since my put debit spreads are going to be a little closer, I'm going to put this a little closer too. We don't want to strike that right there. So we'll go to 5,000 and we'll see if we can hit, what is that little black thing there? Dang it. Don't like that. Let's see if we can get filled for $34. There we go. 34, $5,034. $5,034. Puts naked 116, 624.24. And what do we say? $34? That's a nice chunk. We got 32.75 last time. So we'll say ES. We got one contract. And we got NP13. Now, so let's put him in. NP13 at 116 days. So let's put him in. NP13. Positions. NP13. Where's he at? Right here. Well, group positions NP13. All right, now we need to say put debit spread. So we'll go to 116 days. And I probably need to start some hedges, y'all. That's what I need to start doing, I guess. We don't have any hedges in now. So we're going to put this a little closer. We don't want to overlap strike. So we'll go 5,500, 54.50 for 13.75. I said for 15.75, dang it. Dagnabbit. Bump that up to 14. That's paying a lot more than I want to pay, but what are you going to do? 5,500 for 14. 5,500 for $14. So we made $20 on the thing. So that's good. So let's go ES. One tranche. PDS 13. Puts debit spread 116. 624.24. And let's start the Black Swan hedge or the Sweet Bobby hedge, shall we? So 5,500, 54.50. 5,500, 54.50. We'll call that PDS 13, right? PDS 13. And we need to group these 5,400, 53.50s. So the 5,400, 53.50s is PDS 12. Let's do that. Got to do better keeping all my stuff in little things, y'all. PDS 12, group positions, PDS 12. And I told you last time, this was kind of interesting that it, as we're making money on these hedges, the hedges are becoming more of a profit center than the 111, 112s, which is kind of cool, y'all. Kind of cool. So where would I start my little thingy here? Well, here's what I do. I'm going to buy 4 complete tranches. So let's go trade. And let's do, you go down to the $3. No need to change what we do, y'all. So let's go to 33.50 and let's sell 12 of these. God, did that get to 12 or not? 12, 11, 12. Okay, for 310, we're going to try 315. I said we're going to try. Uh-oh, we got to replace that order anyway. It's only 12. Oh, darn it. Let me cancel the order. Hold on. Activity, cancel. There we go. Let's create and get 12 of them this time. So we said 3, 10, 33.50s. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That should be 12 at 310. There we go. So we did 12 at 310, 116. So 33.50s. 33.50s at 310. Right? And we did 12 of those. ES did 12. All right, then we did, let's see, this will be BSH1 shorts, put, short hedge, 116, 624.24. Now, why is that not all supposed to be? That's all supposed to be that color. I'm not sure why that thing's not working. All right, now we got to go buy 20. Or, now what's this? Hold on a second. Now, I said that I have to buy the shorts, but maybe I don't. Or buy the loans, maybe I don't. Let's just look at our Greeks right now. And maybe we could just do a GTC to put those on for free. So let's see what our Greeks and ratios are now. You want to? So now we're at 177, 151. 177, 151, 151. Oh, hold on. 151. And now our buying power has swooped. Have you ever swooped? I ate some watermelon yesterday. I swear I swooped. It was called a Mickey something, not a Mickey D's, but a Mickey something watermelon. So let me tell you something. That thing looks good. I still got some in the refrigerator. I may go eat some here in a little bit. What was I doing? I was doing something.
Checking your buying power.
Thank you, Hal. So let's go to positions. Let's go to cap requirement. Let's refresh that and see what our cap requirement is now. So now we're at 28,100. 28,100. 22%. Y'all, I'll tell you, this is what the black box things is terrible. It is a pain in the butt, John. It sure is. I think I'm gonna leave these on. I think I'm gonna chance it. Because we're at 0.12. That's gonna get my theta up really, really nice. So what I'm gonna do is we're just gonna say, screw it. We're gonna try. And you can do this early on in your thing because now it's not like my deltas are out of line or my buying power's out of line. So let's just do this now. Let's go back to the trade tab and we'll have our first GTC order here. So we'll go, and it should fill in about 10 days. So we're going to say we're going to buy 20, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we've got 20 there, and we want to do it when it's $1.55. And do a GTC. Now, I want everybody to see why I'm doing it this way. I can, right? Because I don't have enough buying power usage. So Let's put that on there like that. There we go. That's how you do it. So if you're early on in your campaign, you can do that. Now that's going to make my little risk graph look bad. Well, it doesn't look any worse than it did, does it? Let's see.
Need to put your other GTC on.
Oh, you're right, Hal. God, what? See, I was just talking to somebody, Nay, who is in my mentorship, and I said, he was like, "Thank you for being here and overlooking my back." I said, "Y'all, when I trade, if I didn't have y'all here, what would I do?" So you're exactly right. Let's close this down at 20 cents, 0.20, and we'll do this to GTC. Beautiful. Thank y'all. Everybody good? Anyone got any questions about anything? I mean, I hope y'all are printing money, y'all. I don't know if we'll ever have it this good again. The only way we'll get better is if we have a sliding bear market. And if that happens, we're going to be doing really, really, really good. But we're doing really good this year, and I hope you are. And I hope y'all have a great rest of your day. I will see everybody tomorrow.